Encountering the Xbox app error code 0x80073d0d on Windows 11 or 10? Stay tuned for the fix. Quickly open a run box using the Windows and the R keys at once. Input this store reset command there and hit enter. WS reset. You can change this on the settings page. So, use the Win+I combination to open that. Go to the System pane, open the Storage settings here. Now, expand the Advanced Storage Settings option here. When you do expand that, you can find the Where New Content is Saved option. Open that up. Now, carefully select a drive, except the Windows drive, for the New Apps Will Save To option. Click Apply to save this change. Search for Xbox from the Start menu. Next, right-click the Xbox app and choose the App Settings option from the context menu. Just go down through the Xbox app settings on the same page. Utilize the Repair option to fix the app. So, come back to the Xbox app settings page. This time, use the Reset option to reset the Xbox app. Simultaneously pressing the Windows key and the R key will open the run box. Subsequently, input this. Then, use the Ctrl, Shift, and enter these three keys together. PowerShell. Following that, paste this Xbox removal command and use the Enter key to execute the code. Get AppX package. Xbox app vertical bar. Remove AppX package. This will remove the Xbox app from your system. Later, you have to install it from store. These are the steps to do that. Open MS Store. Look for the Xbox app. Tap Install to install the Xbox app. You have to open File Explorer. Go to this point, CT Program FileSAW Windows Apps. Make a backup of this entire folder. Just copy all of these files and paste them into another drive. Delete everything from here. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.